your dot matrix printer would be adding the information into it. A printed form with the 3-layer form with the carbon copies will be there in the dot matrix printer, and your SAP would be giving the information. Some content is already printed, and on that some content which is changed would be typed. So in this form, you have given some length for the material code, that much of length. But if you are having a bigger material code, you need to check whether the material code would be able to fit in, or it will overlap onto the price information or onto the description information. Okay, that kind of things you need to check it, that how the forms are designed. You might need to redesign your forms. There would be impact on the BAPIs, IDOCs, RFCs, all the interfaces which you'll be seeing. The BAPIs, IDOCs, RFC. So BAPI, IDOCs, there's a technical issue are there. If you will go and see in the BAPIs, you will see two material fields. 18 character and 40 character. Okay, by default, if you are doing a conversion or something, your 18 character fields are used in the BAPIs to do the mappings, right? If you're going with the 40 characters, you need to check where the BAPIs has been used for material. You need to do the mapping with the 40 character field. You need to do the mapping with the 40 character field. That changes you need to do. There are SAP notes for these. SAP has created a programs to identify those BAPIs, IDOCs, where you need to change the mappings, and those programs will help you to identify, and then your technical consultant would be able to change the mappings. Custom reports. There can be some custom reports. In the custom reports, you have fixed the material length. You have fixed the column width, right? The column width you have fixed for the 18 character to make your report compact, and suddenly you moved it to 26, 28 characters. Then that report would again be creating a problem for you. Conversion. So conversion, you should be very clear that whatever the material is there in your ECC system, the same material will go into S/4HANA system. If you're having a material 123471, that material 123471 in S/4HANA system would be going exactly this system, this one. It cannot be converted into SOAP, Lux, then your FAS, CHDE 0021. It cannot be converted into this number in conversion. This material would be going as this material, because in conversion, you are taking all the transaction history. Purchase order, sales order, material documents, everywhere it is, the material is available with this code. So you cannot change to this code. So if you're doing a conversion, you should be careful, and business is very much interested ki nahi yaar, I need to change the material codes. The better approach would be then for the greenfield. Conversion, once you activate FLETS, post-conversion, whatever the new material you would be creating, those new materials would be created as a 40 character, but not the old materials. Old material will remain as it is. So either you discontinue old materials coming to S/4HANA and then you create the new materials. Okay, either you take that approach, that is very difficult and painful approach, or you go ahead with the greenfield implementation. We have seen that where the number range was so much required that business is so much in love that they want to go with the intelligent big numbers. They need to take a decision to go ahead with the greenfield implementation. Internal or external? Only external number are supported. Internal number are not supported. Numeric or alphanumeric? Only alphanumeric is supported. You cannot create a, even though you activate FLETS 40 character, but you cannot create a material like this. 1 2 3 4 7 7 7 9 3 4 2 2 2 3 4 7 3 2 1 4 7 8 8 9 9 9 You cannot create material like this. This is not supported, boss. And even this is not required from business. I don't know any business who require this kind of number. Whenever they want to go with the big numbers, it's always alphanumeric. It's always intelligent number which need to be brought in. Okay, so this is not a requirement at all. And this is technically not supported by SAP. If you will take FLETS, two transactions you need to maintain, FLETS and OMSL. If you maintain FLETS, OMSL, still it will not allow you to create your internal numeric numbers as a big number. Only external alphanumeric numbers are allowed to create beyond 18 characters. Okay, so to do this change, we need to do two things. We need to do FLETS, and then second thing, we need to do OMSL.